Hello there. So this is my quick, just basically a memo for myself so that I will remember the next time how I did that. And it is about this lighter. It is a Corona lighter. I am Corona Pipe Master, and very beautiful. This one is very old. It is, I think, more than 50 years old, and it is working like it's brand new, you know. So, but anyways, it's only doing that because I did already some little cleaning on it. So these are the steps that should be done. First of all, well, it should be cleaned, you know. Like, I have seen some comment, and a guy said that there was no screw at the bottom of that thing, and I don't know if that's true, but maybe what I would guess is, like, if you take a brush and brush around on there, it might eventually happen that a screw will become visible like this one. I would be very surprised if they really had models without a screw. What is a fact is that this button here, which is basically stopping the gas from flowing, you know, like because it's for the pipe, so you can freehand, you can light your pipe, and when it's finished, you don't blow it out like I have seen a person doing that, but that will maybe result in an explosion in your home. So this button needs to be pushed up in order to stop the gas, and that's it. So let's get on with it. Very easy. Of course, first we need to use a little driver to open the thing, and this is how it looks like, right? So be careful not to lose that little screw. And then we see here there's a part which is holding that thing in place. It is plugged in here from the inside. So if you pull that out, you know, this stuff is locked into place. But we don't want that right now. So now what we got is already, this part is movable. But still, we cannot go further than this button because it cannot be done. And now it's this thing, and why I did this video, because I didn't remember how I removed it. And it's quite simple. This button as well as this part, they are simply pulled off to the top, you know. So let's see how that works. If I use the little driver here. There, see, and this is dangerous. That can fly away. So that's basically how that looks like, how that is installed in there. It is just plugged in from the top. And the same counts for this part. I already know that because I did have a hard time before figuring it out, but it's as simple as that. Basically, you can pull this out, you know, and I think they have a little bit of adhesive tape in there originally, but it's no more holding. So this is, again, it is just like two little pins which are stuck in there. Okay, now we have unlocked all these parts so that we can now push this whole thing out to the bottom. But be careful, because I forgot where it is, but there are some parts out there. Yes, there. it is here. This part, if you don't take care, this part may fall out and be hard to find again. So that's it already. Here you can see how that is working actually. The button, when it's pushed down, it is pulling up this part there, which results in the gas coming out. So if you turn it around, you know that part can fall out and you may not find it again. Anyways, and that's basically the main important part, interesting part. I will do that later. So why did I open that in the first place is, again, because I wanted, sometimes, you know, it didn't click, it didn't give the fire right away. So, and because, as I said, this thing is 50 years old. So after doing some cleaning of the parts and you know, maybe even using some alcohol tip and to clean that really good. Also the part where the electric spark comes out, you know. As you see, it's already quite clean because as I said, I did that before. But that's basically how that thing will become very, very fresh, and even with that high age, you know, these things are very durable, I think. And that's the main part already. Okay, here we go. So we need to there's a problem here, which is that this thing needs to go under that. Oh wait, there's some glue here as well, which we can remove. Yeah, there we go. See? That's what I'm talking about. Okay, from there we need to get this back into place, and the place is there. There it is. This is how it should look like. Then we have the hole where the pin goes in, like that. Then we have that switch going back in place, and make sure that it will work. Yes, it will work. Okay. And from there we just put all the things together. Of course, everything should be cleaned before doing that. Oh yeah, very good. And that's how we will end up with hopefully with a perfectly great lighter. So here we go again. Go back to that. I think that's the other way around. So let's, yes, of course. There we go. That looks much better. So, putting this together, we need to lock this thing in place, and that is done by getting this part in the right spot. Wait, which way was it? Was it this way? Maybe it was this way. I think so. Wait, I need to take a good look with the that needs to go directly into that part there. It will not work. Ah, there we go. It will not work if that isn't in there correctly. That looks like it worked. Yes, there we go. Now we can connect the bottom plate back again. Yes, that looks good. Yeah. Then we stick on that part into the two holes there. Very easy. And we put this thing back on. Maybe I could use some new tape there, but for now it will not fall off. So, oh, that looks like the flame is much higher now than before. Okay, but that's basically it. The thing is back together and ready to work for 50 more years maybe. And that's it. Well, have a nice day. Bye bye.